Hello, I am Ekaterinka and this is my channel. Important to know creation some footage as it requires some bytes plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. To understand all the points, you would better slow down video a bit. That's why all my buttons pressed toward the clear sky. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with Cope of News, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button presets. On my second channel, Vision Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage file. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.